Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video you can see a couple of useful tips for buying new tires. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com where you can find more useful car and driving tips. One of the best ways to conclude that you need new tires is to make a tire tread check. If you want to see how to do this, we've made a video specifically on that topic. Click on the link in the corner of the video to watch it. The first thing you should check when buying new tires is the size of the tire. This is the first question that is asked when buying tires. The easiest way to check this is to take a look at the tires that are already on your car. The size is located on the tire wall, usually printed with a bigger font than the rest of the data, making it easily visible. Alternatives for finding the tire size are places like the user manual of your car, or, like in the Skoda in this example for instance, the data is very conveniently put on the gas tank cap. These numbers represent tire width, nominal aspect ratio, construction of the tire, rim diameter, load index, and speed rating. So remember this data, or even better, take a picture or write it down. Best buy the tires with the same specification that you already have on your car, or even better, buy what the car manufacturer recommends, especially regarding size and speed rating. If you're making some kind of change, like putting bigger rims and tires for instance, performance tires or else, do so with caution and knowledge to prevent damaging the car or causing safety issues. Besides choosing the proper size, choosing the right type of tire is the most important parameter. There are two most common types of tires, for the summer and for the winter season. There are also all-season tires, performance tires and else, but these are more rarely asked for, at least in this case. Choosing the right type is immensely important. Each tire has its own type of thread and material composition which is made specifically for that kind of weather. Otherwise, if you don't choose the right type of tire, you may well be a serious hazard on the road, and in any critical situation, you may easily end up in an accident. When choosing the tire manufacturer, I would recommend sticking with the renowned manufacturers. This, in the majority of cases, means quality, longevity, and above all safety. But if you don't have the possibility, since these tires from renowned manufacturers tend to be somewhat pricey, then you have good alternatives in a so-called lower class of tires. Most of these tires come from less known manufacturers who are in fact owned by the renowned manufacturers. This means that you can get a lot of the quality with a lower price. Now, regarding prices of tires. On this part, I must give one main recommendation. Always take a good look before you buy. It's not rare that tire shops, various places where you decide to buy the tires, have sales, special discounts, or else. All of this can save you a significant amount of money. So do not buy head over heels. Take your time. If you have the possibility, take a good look around. It's not uncommon that you can buy the same tire cheaper at another place. And for the final tip, where to actually buy the new tires. Now, as you've seen, tires are a widespread article for buying, so to say. You can buy them from specialized tire shops, dealerships, shopping malls, to even gas stations. On this part, I must give one more warm recommendation. Buy the tires from specialized tire shops, okay? These people, in most cases, have a wide range of tires from all sorts of manufacturers and have all sorts of price ranges, so you're bound to find the tires you need. Besides this, at least this is what I've seen in most cases, lots of these tire shops will mount and balance the tires for free when you buy this from them. Another recommendation is to buy on web shops. There are a ton of web shops that are specialized exclusively for tires. You have a huge range of tires, a huge price range, everything else, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. I must say that if you buy the tires this way, or if you buy them in a shopping mall or somewhere else, then you'll have to calculate the expense of mounting and balancing the tires on the car. You'll have to visit a tire shop again to do this, and you'll have to calculate that expense within the whole expense of changing the tires. So for the end, to summarize, when you decide that you need new tires, all you have to do is go to your car, see on the tire wall what are the dimensions of the tire, write it down, or even better, take a picture. Go and make a comparison on where to buy new tires, visit tire shops, dealerships, go online and see what are the offers. Make a decision, buy the tires, and you'll have to visit a tire shop to mount and balance the tires. This is why we recommend that you visit the tire shop in the first place. Also, one more word of advice that you probably know, don't wait for the last minute to replace the tires, okay? Especially when it comes from summer to winter. Do not drive on the wrong tires. You're a big hazard on the road if you do so. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.